Let's solve this question. Give me that a matrix M. This is a matrix M, that is 1, 3, 5, minus 2. The question now says find the matrix M square plus 2M plus 5, where I represent what? Identity matrix. Now, the first I'm going to do here is what? Find the what? M square. So that if this is my what? M times what? M 1, 3, 5, minus 2. Let me multiply this together. So 1 times 1 here. So I can say 1 times 1 plus 3 times what? 5 here. 3 times what? 5. Right. The next thing is for 1 times what? 3 here. So 1 times 3 here. Okay. Plus 3 here. 2 times minus 2. Right. 2 times minus 2. Okay. Now the next we are going to do is what? Look at this 5 here. 5 times 1 here. 5 times 1 plus minus 2 times 5 minus 2 times 5. Okay. Now here we have 5 here. 5 times 3. 5 times 3 plus minus 2 times minus 2. Okay. Minus 2 times minus 2. Right. Now here now let me add this thing together. So 1 times 1 1. This one is what? 15. Right. This one will be what? 16. We have 3. This one is minus 6. This one will be what? Minus 3. Right. 5 times 1 is 5. So 5 minus 10. This one will be what? Minus 5. Okay. We have 15 here. 5 times 3 is what? 15. Minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. This one will be what? 19. We are done with this. Now the next thing is what? To find the 2m. Okay. So 2 times 1. This one will be 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 5 10. 2 times minus 2 minus 4. Okay. Now the next thing is what? Our I. So let me check it, which is what? I, where I is for identity matrix, that is 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2. Here I can say 1 0 0 1. Okay, we are done. Now let me now add everything together. Okay, m square plus 2m plus I, m square plus 2m plus what? I. Okay, now we have 16 here. Right, we have 16 minus 5 minus 3 19 plus 2 6 10 minus 4 plus what? 1 plus 1 0 0 1, which is identity. Okay, now let me now add it together. Here now I can say 16 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, 16 plus 2 plus 1. The next thing is what? Minus 3 plus what? 6 plus what? 0 here. Okay, now the next thing here, minus 5 plus 10 plus 0. Minus 5 plus 10 plus 0. We have 19. 19 minus 4 plus what? 1. Okay, plus 1. So the final answer here is going to be, so this one will be what? 19. We are done with this. Minus 3 plus 6. This one is 3. Right. Minus 5 plus 10 plus 0. This one is 5. Okay, so 19. So this 19 plus 1 is 20. 20 minus 4 is what? 16. So this is the final answer. Please kindly follow, like, comment, and share.